Hey, if you have got a sales or marketing challenge and you need to talk to someone, well, talk to me. Maybe your team has Copilot licenses and nobody touches them. Maybe your sales said marketing's lead aren't great. Maybe your board asked for an AI strategy and gave you only 6 weeks. Whatever it is, that's just chat. I hear you and I see you. I'm Pam Didner, consultant and speaker. I'm a strategist and a practitioner. I speak about what I actually do. 20 years at Intel, 5 books, and a lot of very messy client whiteboards to help them demonstrate marketing's impact on revenue. With AI, it accelerates judgment, but never replaces it. There's a lot of gray area in between, and that's where I live. So fill out the form below. Tell me the hot mess version of your problem. You'll hear from me in 24 hours. Whatever you want to do, we can work it out together. We can. Talk to you later. Take care.